In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will know how to quickly narrow down your conversations to exactly what you need. Start by opening Messenger on your computer. You can do this either from the standalone Messenger site or through the Messenger section inside Facebook in your web browser. Once Messenger opens, you should see a large panel of conversations in the center, with your profile picture or initials somewhere near the top. If you do not see any chats yet, that only means you have not messaged anyone recently on this account. Now look carefully at the chats list. This list usually runs down the left side or the middle of the window and shows each conversation with a name, a small profile picture, and a bit of recent message text. Unread messages usually appear in bold, and you may see a small blue dot beside them. Taking a moment to scan this list helps you notice which conversations you might want to filter, such as unread chats or group threads that clutter the view. Once that is clear, click the filter option or the three dots icon near your conversations if it is available. This control is often found near the top of the chats list, sometimes labeled filter or shown only as three horizontal dots. When you click it, a small menu or panel opens directly under or beside it. If you do not see any filter button, your current Messenger version on this device may not support filters in this exact place. From there, choose the filter you want, such as unread, groups, archived, or message requests. Unread shows only chats with messages you have not opened yet, which keeps new items from getting lost in a long list. Groups limits the list to conversations with multiple people, useful when you only want shared chats. Archive displays conversations you have hidden from the main list but did not delete. Message requests shows chats from people who are not on your friends list or contacts, which many beginners forget to check. After you click a filter, the chats list will refresh so that only matching conversations appear. At this point, select a conversation to view it. Just click once on the chat you want inside the filtered list. The conversation thread will open on the right side, showing all messages, images, and reactions for that chat. You can read, reply, react, or scroll back through the history as normal, and the filter stays active while you switch between conversations within that same view. To go back to the full list, you simply return to the filter menu and choose the option that shows all chats again in your version. You have now learned how to open Messenger on your computer, apply different filters, and open a filtered conversation to manage your messages more easily. If this helped you get your Messenger chats under control, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.